In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M56, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on General Management. Then select Samsung Keyboard Settings and manage all of those options under Smart Typing by clicking on the switches next to the chosen ones, or tapping on one of them and clicking on a switcher within. When you finished with all of those, scroll down and tap on More Typing Options to manage all of those as well. If you want to access those settings much faster, click on this switcher next to Keyboard Toolbar if it's not already on. Then open your keyboard and tap on this gear icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!